We have 5 main business partners that we work with. Blum, who provide our drawer runners and hinges and a number of accessories. We also work with Hafele, they have a Kessebohmer range of accessories like corner cupboard accessories for reaching difficult to hard to reach places. Amazing, they're awesome. Caesarstone for bench tops, they're the most well known, they're a terrific partner of ours. We have a relationship with E&S Trading for appliances. We can only show a certain amount in our showroom, but we're not appliance experts. We rely heavily on E&S Trading. They've got multiple showrooms around Melbourne and are terrific. We also have a relationship with Polytec in regards to doors. The benefit for our customer, for the partners that we use, is the consistency of the product, the service that they provide, not only today, but whether it be 6 months or 6 years or 10 years down the track. That's really, really important. Where we sit in the market is we will only use the best, so that we just know that how it works today is how it'll work in 5 years, 10 years time. Many of our business partners have lifetime warranties. It's really important for our customers to trust us, really, to be able to use the best products that are available for them.